Hello everyone. Here the question says for a particular reversible reaction, this is a reversible reaction at temperature T, del H and del S were found to be both are positive. If T is the temperature at the equilibrium, so E is refers to the equilibrium temperature at the equilibrium, then the reaction would be in the spontaneous. Okay, we have to find at the spontaneous what is the reaction is going to be. Now, we know that at equilibrium, they have said that at equilibrium, so del G is equal to 0 at equilibrium. For any equilibrium reaction, the del G is going to be equal to 0. So we know that the equation of del G is equal to del H minus, so since it is in the equilibrium, so I will be writing T. So before that I will be writing this equation one first of all, only the equation alone. Okay, now in the equilibrium state, then the del G is equal to 0, then 0 is equal to del H minus, so in the equilibrium the temperature is TE, so according to the question, into del S. So the continuing this equation, so this is equilibrium temperature at equilibrium into del S is equal to del H. So finally we get that the temperature in the equilibrium is equal to del H by del S. This is at equilibrium. This is at equilibrium, temperature at equilibrium equation. Okay, then we need to find the reaction would be in the spontaneous. Okay, we need to find when the reaction is in spontaneous. When the reaction is spontaneous, then del G is will be in the negative form, in the negative. Okay, so it is the del G is going to be del G at spontaneous, I will be writing as S, is going less than the 0, less than the 0. Okay, this is the important thing you have to find. So then this is at the addition, that is more than 0. The temperature at equilibrium is more greater than the 0, but here it is less than a 0. So we know that, again we know that del G is equal to, yes, del H minus T del S. So here this is not equilibrium temperature, so instead of writing T, I will be writing as del S. Okay, here it is negative, right? So I will be writing in the negative del G. Okay, negative, it means the whole equation gets into like this, that is T del S minus del S minus del H during spontaneous reaction. Okay, okay, no problem. Simply you can able to get know at the equilibrium, at equilibrium, so where it is equilibrium, yes, here there is a equilibrium. At equilibrium del G is equal to 0. So here del G is directly proportional to the time, that is not time, temperature, directly proportional to the temperature. At equilibrium, this del G is going to be 0. But at the spontaneous reaction, this del G is going to be in the negative symbol. At spontaneous reaction, del G is going to be in negative symbol. So at the spontaneous reaction, I will be writing as TS for the spontaneous reaction. Okay. For the equilibrium, this del G is equal to 0. Then this is for the equilibrium TE. Okay, from this you can get to know that, spontaneous reaction is going to be less than the equilibrium. So where this answer is going to be? So we know that option B is going to be the correct answer for this question. Thank you.